Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. They are incredibly nutritious, packed with vitamins C and K, and loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as blueberry, blueberry, blue, berry, blueberry. While, in American accent, we may pronounce it as blueberry, blueberry, blue, berry, blueberry. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about blueberries, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.